Welcome to Cloverfold Farm. Today we'll explore all the amazing things you can find on a farm. Animals, tools, buildings, and more. Let's start our adventure. This is a cow. Cows say moo and give us milk to drink. Did you know a cow can drink 30 to 50 gallons of water a day? That is between 113 and 189 litres. Here's a fluffy sheep. Sheep go baa and grow soft wool. Sheep have excellent memories. They can recognise up to 50 faces of other sheep and humans. Say hello to a pig. Pigs love to roll in mud and say oink oink. Pigs are just as smart as dogs. They can learn tricks, solve puzzles, and remember places and objects. Look at the clucking chicken. Chickens lay eggs and say cluck cluck. Did you know a mother hen can remember over 100 different faces of her chicks and will protect each one? Quack! This is a duck. Ducks love water and waddle on land. Ducks can sleep with one eye open, staying alert for predators while still resting. Galloping in! A horse says neigh and helps pull carts. Horses can sleep both standing up, thanks to a stay ligament, and lying down for deep sleep. Gobble gobble! A turkey spreads its big feathers and says gobble. Wild turkeys can run up to 20 miles per hour and fly short distances to escape threats. Hopping in is a rabbit. Rabbits have long ears and love carrot. Did you know a rabbit's teeth never stop growing? They chew constantly to keep them at the right length. And the loyal farm dog barks woof to keep everything safe. Farm dogs often possess a herding instinct, which helps them guide livestock back to the barn. Farmers use special tools to help the plants grow. Here's a tractor. Think of it as a giant, strong car that can pull many other tools and makes big jobs easier. The pitchfork. A pitchfork is a long fork used to lift hay and straw. Did you know early pitchforks had just 2 tines? Modern ones usually have 3 or 4 for a better grip. A tine is the prong or sharp point on the fork. The hoe. A hoe helps farmers turn soil so seeds can grow. The rake. With a rake, we gather leaves or smooth out the ground. The shovel. A sturdy shovel digs holes for planting or moving dirt. The watering can. The watering can sprinkles water on seedlings. Did you know traditional metal watering cans were painted bright colours so children could spot them easily in the garden? The wheelbarrow. A wheelbarrow carries heavy loads like soil, rocks, or vegetables. Did you know the first wheelbarrows were invented in ancient China over 2,000 years ago? The plough. A plough cuts rows in the earth, getting it ready for seeds. And here is a plough attached to the tractor. The scarecrow. A friendly scarecrow stands tall to keep birds away from crops. Scarecrows have been around longer than you might think. The first scarecrows known to history were made about 3,000 years ago. They were first made by the Egyptians to protect their wheat fields, especially along the Nile River. All the hard-working farmers' supplies need a safe place. This is the barn, where hay is stored and animals rest. A tall silo holds grain like corn or wheat, keeping it dry. The chicken coop is a cosy house where chickens lay their eggs. Did you know? Hens love to roost on a perch at night. It's a natural behaviour that makes them feel safe. A pig pen gives pigs a safe place to play and eat. Did you know? Pigs love mud because it protects their skin from sunburn and bugs. Nature's sunscreen. The tool shed keeps all the farmers' tools neat and tidy. A granary stores harvested grains until they're sold or used. A cold storage keeps fruits, veggies, and dairy fresh longer. From the farmhouse where families live to the wide fields where crops sway in the wind, every part of the farm has a purpose. The farmhouse is the family's home, where they rest after a busy day. Did you know? The original farmhouses often had a root cellar underneath for storing vegetables and other goods through winter. Inside the stables, horses and other animals have comfy stalls. Wide fields grow crops like corn, wheat and barley. Did you know? Farmers rotate crops. For example, after planting corn, they grow soybeans and then wheat. This is to maintain soil health and prevent pests. An orchard holds apple, pear and peach trees that give sweet fruit. Did you know? Apple trees need pollinator partners. Different varieties bloom at slightly different times, helping cross-pollination. A green pasture or grassland lets cows and sheep graze on fresh grass. The garden or vegetable patch is a small plot where tomatoes, beans and lettuce grow. Did you know? Companion planting, such as pairing tomatoes with basil, helps deter pests and enhances flavour. Strong fences keep the animals safe inside the farm area. A windmill can pump water or grind grain using wind power. Did you know? Classic Dutch windmills could grind enough grain to feed an entire village in a single day. A dusty road or tractor path allows tractors and trucks to travel around the farm. That about wraps it up for today. Now you know the words for many things you can see on a farm. The next time you visit a farm, try spotting each one. Thanks for watching. See you on the next adventure.